On screen at the moment, you're looking at the previous episode of this documentary of me documenting the entire process going from $0 in MRR to $20,000 a month in MRR. But today is a new day and we are at $2,000 in MRR. Yesterday we had a transaction or two transactions come through for $3.99 a pop, totaling $798, which brings us to $19.96 in MRR. Episode 2 here is going to be me bringing in this from $2,000 a month to at least $5,000 a month in MRR, and I'm really excited because I'm having a lot of really good conversations with people. Everybody's providing really good feedback. No bad results, all positive results. People just loving it. The 2 signups from yesterday came in through my affiliate friend who brought 2 guys on. I closed them both on a group call on Google Meet, and they're going to drive traffic just to their profiles to bring people for inbound DMs. So I'm using it as a warm prospecting tool for their business. I'm using it as a dating tool for people that want to get new dates. And I'm using it as an engagement tool for people that just want new followers, new likes, and just to grow their page as a whole. Boom! Just like that. I know I'm being silly. $3,000 in MRR, just like that in a few days here. Look at this right here. We had $700, give or take, in monthly recurring revenue add on to the pipeline. Sold a package for $299 a month and then sold one for $399 a month, totaling the $698. So look at that. We're at $3,000 already. One of the new customers I just finished onboarding was strictly through Instagram DMs. People just curious as I keep posting about it on my stories. So first rough patch of this entire journey so far, a 2-day dry streak of no new clients. I know it's not the end of the world. It's 2 days, which is very, very shocking to me. I was thinking this was gonna be every day, at least 1 to 3 new customers. However, one of my other main affiliates that was bringing in a lot of people previously, he contacted several guys today. A lot of them were not just getting back to him. They were busy. 2 people individually were actually opposed to this, which is our first 2 ever objections or denies for this offer. So we're just going to keep circling back to the remainder of these people that didn't reject the offer. And I'm also going to think about how I want to strategize the affiliate program for other affiliates to make it make sense, as well as incentivize new sort of upsells for this entire package. Checking in once again, we're at $3,800 in MRR, but I've been stuck at this number for the past few days here. As you can see, it's $3,800 approximately after some fees, but it's been days since I've onboarded anybody new. All right, it's been a minute here, and I haven't updated because I've been super busy with a whole bunch of other things. If you guys have seen the channel, a lot of new podcasts, a lot of new collabs. But we smashed $5,000 MRR a little while ago, actually. And now I have a screenshot on screen right now for you guys. We're actually passing that on to the next level. So next episode is me going to be scaling this to over $10,000 a month. And we are having a lot of success so far and a lot of good customer results. So I'm really excited for this. We're going to be officially launching Beamly, give or take, in the next week at the time of this recording. So when this video comes out, it may already be that time where I have the entire service that people are getting, but also I'm adding an entire education aspect to it. Teaching people how to network, teaching people how to grow their page and frame their page the same way I have to go and just get really cool opportunities, as well as growing an online business. So there's all these different things involved. And if you do want to use Beamly, I have the picture on screen right here. Go to beamly.ai and I will get you set up and you'll be onboarded in less than 24 hours with getting results here. So until next time, don't be motivated, stay disciplined, and I'll see you later.